Morning, everyone. Today's Monday. It's 9:52. I kind of already did a tune-up already this morning, but we're going to the next job. I did not get the best sleep last night. I had this weird dream, and I actually woke myself up screaming, like yelling. Yeah, it wasn't good. So I'm kind of like out of it today. I'm not 100% at all. And not only that, my door handle just broke on my door, and then the back door right there, that handle broke, but that was a while ago. But this door here broke on the outside. So everything's going great. So we're on our way to a tune-up, so I'll see y'all there. Alright, pulling up to the AC tune-up here. We actually put this system in maybe like a year ago, maybe two. She said it's been working fine, no problems. So let's just go over and make sure everything's looking good. Alright, so pressures are good. Alright, so the coils look good. I'm still going to spray them just to clean them out a little bit. Pulled the disconnect. Hose is over there. So we're going to grab our cleaner and hose. a little bit of a mess today. I had to switch trucks. I had to drop this truck off to the shop, get new brakes. So I grabbed stuff, threw it in my other truck. And then this morning, when I got the truck back yesterday, I threw everything from this morning into the truck without organizing everything. So tomorrow morning I'll organize it because we have to go to the shop. Oh, she's got really bad water pressure. Really bad water pressure. Holy cow. Ew. Not hot today. Not hot. Well, it's a little hot, but not humid. Normally the humidity is what kills it, but it's pretty nice today. Next week's supposed to be in the 90s, 91s, 92s. Nothing in the back, so it's just the fronts, it's just the sides. Boy. So we just finished up the AC tune up there. Everything looked good. like I said, it's a fairly new system. I don't even think it's 2 years old. And it's a package unit, so there was no, you know, braze joints or anything we had to look for. But the pressures look good. So if it was leaking internally, we would have seen that. But no, the amperage on the compressor, amperage on the fan motor, check the voltage going in and out of the contactor. Like I said though, it's a fairly new system. I do like to see, you know, I don't like to see more than 1 volt difference between T1, T2, L1, L2 coming off the contactor. So your L1, L2 coming in the bottom of the contactor or top, depending on how it is. And so those voltages, and then compared to the voltages going out of the contactor to everything, there really shouldn't be that much of a voltage drop. So, but yeah, so we're on our way to the next one. I'm feeling a little bit better than earlier today. The more the day goes on, the better I start to feel. So it's just like I said, one of those things where there's, you know, some dreams just stick with you. I don't know, it's weird. Then you like, you wake up and I can't explain it. Like, you feel like that was reality, and then you wake up thinking it's not reality. So your mind gets like groggy or foggy. I don't know, it's weird. I don't know if that ever happens to anyone, so I'm sure it has. So we got about a 43-minute drive to our next job. So another AC tune-up system we put in about 4 or 5 years ago. So I'm not expecting any problems there either. So we'll see you at the job site. Alright, so we finished that tune-up. I didn't get any footage of it just because the homeowner was right there. Not a big deal. So I just left the supply house. We're going to another tune-up, but she says that it's not cooling as it used to. So we'll take a look at that. See if I can get some footage on that. So we'll see you at the job site. piston inside, but the pressure seemed whack. 160, 227. So the coil is kind of clogged. It's a microchannel coil. So I'm going to clean it out and see if that drops the pressure. So I don't know if you can see, but you can, maybe not. You can see through some of the microchannels, but some of them are clogged. Well, a lot of them are. So we'll clean them up and then check pressures again. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes. Pressures are still not any better. The compressor is pulling 6.7 amps and the RLA on this is 14 amps. So the compressor is bypassing. So I'm going to see if it's under warranty for them. We didn't put this in, but if it's under warranty, part warranty, that'll be great. So I'm going to give them a call and see what they say. All right, just got off the phone with the supply house that deals with that equipment. The compressor's gonna get delivered Wednesday. I'm gonna have to do it Sunday. Thursday and Friday we have an install, so I'm not gonna be able to do it those 2 days. So like I said, we're still on our way to that boiler call. I'll see if I can get any footage of it. So we'll see you there. Alright, we just left that boiler call. I was there for like, I don't know, 8 minutes. It was burning a little sooty, so I just adjusted the air. took a couple measurements of the smoke pipe, and it's up and going. So it is due for an oil cleaning though. We were there 11 months ago. Next month will be a full year, so it definitely needs a cleaning. So we are headed home. I am done for the day. It is 4 o'clock, 4:06. So I don't know what I might cut the grass when I get home. I'm not sure. I was expecting to work longer today, but today turned out pretty good. So, alright, well, we'll see you on the next one.